Hi everyone, today we are going to do the Benedict's test or glucose test or test for reducing sugars or simple sugars. You know that glucose, fructose, galactose, monosaccharides and some disaccharides they respond to this test which is known as Benedict's test or we call it glucose test. So here I have the Benedict's solution, blue color solution. This contains copper sulfate, that's why it's blue color. Then I have the setup here, the tripod, the spirit lamp, and I have kept a beaker as a water bath. Then I have here previously dissolved glucose. This is a glucose solution. Yes, I have dissolved glucose here. And this is distilled water, pure water. So now I am going to add a few drops of Benedict solution into both boiling tubes. Right, the one which contains glucose here. This is Benedict solution. Now I add by counting the number of drops, I will add 5 drops of this is Benedict solution and this is glucose solution. I have dissolved glucose here. Then few drops of this is Benedict solution. It's blue color. You can see, and I have this is distilled water, pure water. I will add a few drops of Benedict solution into this. So hoping concentration, I will add some more into both. Right now, so what I am going to do is now I am going to heat both of these. This is in the left hand side I will put the solution, the mixture which contains glucose. This one contains glucose. In the right hand side I will put the mixture contains water and Benedict solution. So we will have to leave this for some time and later we will see the results. Now so I did that as demonstration, keeping the water bath. Now I removed and I directly heat this. This is you have to do this carefully, okay, with certain experience. Now this is the mixture containing the glucose solution. So you have to do this very carefully. Normally we don't directly heat this, but as the experience, so we do this. So you can directly heat this. Then we must observe the color change. Now you can see color formation there. It turns yellow color. You can see yellow color. Then later it turns what? Now it turns yellow color, yellow green. Now you can see it's turning orange color. The sequence can be seen very clearly. It turns orange color, and later now you can see the orange color turns somewhat darker. Now it's pure orange. Then when we further heat this, you will observe, finally you must observe a brick red precipitate. So when you heat this carefully, you have to heat this. Now you can see orange color, right? So then we will leave this for some time and you can see the color formation later. Now it has reached orange color. Earlier it was yellow green, then orange, and finally we are expecting the final color change, that is final observation, that is brick red precipitate. So I will leave this for some time for the formation of the brick red precipitate. Now I am heating the mixture containing distilled water and Benedict solution. So you can see let's see whether there is a color change here. Now this is the one which contains glucose. Now I have kept it in the water bath for observing the final observation. Now here I heat this the distilled water and Benedict solution. There is no glucose here. This one contains glucose. Now you can see although we heat, there is no change in the color. There is no change in the color because Benedict solution has no reaction with what? Water. This does not contain sugars. This contains water. So although we heat this, you can see there is no color change. Whatever the time we heat this, there will be no color change because It does not contain glucose or any reducing sugar.